Assalamu alaikum everybody. I am Mohammad Saiful Islam Choudhury, teacher CJM High School, Chattogram. Welcome to our online class, CJM High School Online Academy. My dear student, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to discuss with you a new topics from English for today for class 10. Are you all ready? I hope you are all ready. Let's enjoy the class. My dear student, look at the picture. What is these buildings? This building is a nice mosque. What is it used for? It is used for saying prayers. My dear learners, guess what the picture about? Yes, it is a picture of Shat Gambuz Mosque. Today our lesson is the Shat Gambuz Mosque. My dear student, these are outcomes of this lesson. After completing this lesson, we will be able to read and understand text, listen for specific information, ask and answer questions, and write a summary. My dear learners, now I am going to read out the passage. Listen to me carefully. The Shat Gambuz Mosque. Heritage is what we inherit from the past, live within the present, and then pass on to our children or future generation. Our unique source of life and inspiration is our cultural and natural heritage. When we speak of world heritage, it indicates places and sites that we inherited from the past and pass on to the future generation of the entire world. The Shat Gambuz Mosque in Bagerhat is such a heritage. It became a UNESCO World Heritage site in 1985. Originally, the historic mosque city was known as Khalifatabad. It is situated at the outskirts of Bagerhat town, not far from the dense mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. Khalifatabad was a Muslim colony. It was founded by the Turkish general, a saint warrior, Ughal Khan Jahan, in the 15th century. The infrastructure of the city reveals significant technical skill in many mosques as well as early Islamic monuments. Baked bricks were used for the construction of the buildings. The planning of the city was dominated by the tradition of Islamic architecture and decoration were a combination of Mughal and Turkish architecture. Khan Jahan built a network of roads, bridges, public buildings, and reservoirs to make the city habitable. There were about 360 mosques in the city. Among them, the most remarkable is the multi-domed Shat Gambuz Mosque. The mosque is unique in the sense that it has 60 pillars that support the roof with 77 low-height domes. The 4 towers at 4 corners have smaller domes at the top as well. The vast prayer hall has 11 arched doorways on the east and 7 each on the north and south for light and ventilation. It has 7 aisles running along the length of the mosque and 11 deep caves between the slender stone columns. These columns support the carving arches created by the domes. The thickness of the arches is 6 feet and have slightly narrowing, hollow and round wall. The west wall in the interior has 11 mihrabs, niches in mosque pointing towards Makkah. These mihrabs are decorated with stonework and terracotta. The floor of the mosque is made of brick. Besides being used as a prayer hall, Khan Jahan used the mosque as his court too. Today, it is one of the greatest tourist attractions and one of the best architectural beauties of Bangladesh. My dear student, now let's learn some new words with meanings. First one is heritage. Heritage means tradition, ঐতিহ্য. Shital Pati is our heritage mat. Unique. Unique means অনন্য, অদ্বিতীয়, অতুলনীয়. The Shat Gambuz Mosque is unique. Attraction. Attraction means আকর্ষণ. The mosque is one of the greatest tourist attraction. Dominate. Dominate means আধিপত্য করা, কর্তৃত্ব করা. Islamic architecture dominated the planning of the city. Architecture, স্থাপত্য শৈলী. Architecture means স্থাপত্য শৈলী. The mosque also represent the combination of Mughal and Turkish architecture. My dear learners, now choose the correct answer from the alternative. Choose the best answer from the alternative. Look this slide. Here are 4 answers. One is correct and another 3 is distractor. এখানে একটি সঠিক উত্তর রয়েছে বাকি তিনটি বিক্ষেপক। What is the closest meaning of heritage? Tradition. The word rebel stands for revolt, recall, express, influence. Correct answer is express. Number 3. Khan Jahan Ali originally came from Bagerhat, Delhi, Turkey, Iran. Correct answer, Turkey. The planning of the city is dominated by Islamic architecture, Turkish architecture, Mughal architecture and Arabian architecture. Islamic architecture. Number 5. The city reflects Turkish design, Mughal design, Bangladeshi culture, Islamic culture. Which is the correct answer? Islamic culture is the correct answer. The word habitable means habituated, habitation, livable, livelihood. Correct answer, livable. And the word infrastructure is an adjective, an adverb, a noun, a verb. Correct answer, a noun. My dear student, read the passage carefully and answer the following questions. What do you understand by heritage? When and where was the Muslim colony founded? What makes the mosque unique? How are the mihrabs of the mosque decorated? Do you support the architectural beauty of the Shat Gumbuz Mosque? Why or why not? Compare with your answer. What do you understand by heritage? Heritage means what people inherit from the past, live with them in the present, and then pass on to their children and future generation. Number 2. When and where was the Muslim colony founded? The Muslim colony was founded in the 15th century at the outskirts of Bagharhat town, not very far from the dense mangrove forest of the Sundarbans. What makes the mosque unique? The use of digital technology has been playing a vital role in the field of communication in the 21st century. Number 4. How are the mihrabs of the mosque decorated? In the western wall of the mosque, there are 11 mihrabs. These are decorated with stonework and terracotta. Do you support the architectural beauty of the Shat Gumbuz Mosque? Why or why not? Yes, I support the architectural beauty of the Shat Gumbuz Mosque. This mosque reflects the extraordinary beauty of Islamic architecture. It also represents the combination of Mughal and Turkish architecture. My dear learners, fill in the gaps with suitable word. The Shat Gambuz Mosque, which is situated at near Bagerhat, is a World Heritage. This mosque still represents the architectural and technical beauty of then Muslim period. The domination of Islamic architecture is evidently found here, being attracted by the best architectural beauty of it. Many tourists visit this place every year. My dear student, here is homework for you. Write a summary of the passage in your own words. My dear students, that's all for today. Thank you very much.